Thanksgiving and football. Two great American traditions. And what goes better with football than food? Every year, families gather to watch the NFL Thanksgiving games. But did you know about the delicious tradition that happens in the broadcast booth? It's called the Turducken, and it's a sight to behold. John Madden, the legendary coach and commentator, is famous for his love of food. His larger-than-life personality and passion for the game made him a household name, but it was his unexpected culinary enthusiasm that truly set him apart. In 1997, Madden introduced the Turducken to the world on national television. This unique dish, a chicken stuffed into a duck, which is then stuffed into a turkey, was unlike anything most people had ever seen. He was calling a Thanksgiving game between the Chicago Bears and the Detroit Lions. It was a perfect setting for Madden to share his latest food discovery with millions of viewers. During the broadcast, Madden pulled out a whole turducken and began to explain what it was. Viewers were immediately intrigued. He described the layers of meat and the intricate process of preparing it, making it sound both exotic and accessible. Madden's enthusiasm for this unique dish was infectious. His eyes lit up as he talked about it, and his animated gestures made it clear that this was something special. He raved about its flavors and textures, describing the juicy turkey, the rich duck, and the tender chicken, all seasoned to perfection. Soon, everyone wanted to try it. Madden's vivid descriptions made viewers' mouths water. The turducken was an instant sensation. Families across the country began incorporating it into their Thanksgiving traditions, and it became a symbol of Madden's unique influence on both football and food culture. The origins of turducken are a bit murky, shrouded in mystery and culinary folklore. Some say it originated in Cajun country, Louisiana, where the rich culinary traditions and love for bold flavors gave birth to this unique dish. Others claim it was invented in Europe centuries ago, inspired by the grand feasts of medieval times where chefs would stuff one animal into another to create lavish meals. One thing is for sure, the turducken is a testament to culinary ingenuity, combining turkey, duck, and chicken into a single mouth-watering masterpiece. Two names frequently associated with the turducken are the Gourmet Butcher Block in Louisiana and Hébert's Specialty Meats. These establishments have become synonymous with the dish. Both claim to have invented the dish, and both have been selling it for decades, each with their own unique twist on the recipe. Regardless of who invented it, the turducken has become a beloved Thanksgiving tradition for many. Families gather around the table, eager to slice into the layers of turkey, duck, and chicken, savoring the flavors and the history behind this extraordinary dish. The story of turducken continues to evolve, with chefs and food enthusiasts constantly experimenting and adding their own touches, ensuring that this culinary marvel remains a dynamic part of our gastronomic heritage. Section 4. Paul Prudhomme's influence. No discussion of turducken is complete without mentioning Paul Prudhomme. Prudhomme was a renowned chef who helped popularize Cajun and Creole cuisine. While he didn't invent the turducken, he certainly helped make it famous. Prudhomme's version of the turducken, which he called turducken, was a culinary masterpiece. It was stuffed with a flavorful cornbread dressing and roasted to perfection. His recipe inspired countless home cooks and professional chefs to create their own versions of this unique dish. Section 5. Turducken. Today. The turducken, a marvel of culinary creativity, has captured the hearts and taste buds of many. This unique dish, which combines turkey, duck, and chicken, has a rich history and an even richer flavor profile. Today, the turducken is more popular than ever. From bustling grocery stores to specialty butcher shops, and even the convenience of online shopping, finding a turducken has never been easier. You can find it in grocery stores, butcher shops, and even online. The demand for this festive dish has skyrocketed, making it a staple in many households during the holiday season. It's become a symbol of Thanksgiving abundance and a testament to our love of all things delicious. The turducken not only represents a culinary delight, but also embodies the spirit of togetherness and celebration. So, this Thanksgiving, why not start a new tradition? Imagine the joy of gathering your loved ones around the table, sharing stories, laughter, and of course, a mouth-watering turducken. Gather your family and friends and enjoy a delicious turducken while watching the big game. The combination of flavors from the turkey, duck, and chicken, along with the traditional sides, creates a feast that is both memorable and satisfying. Just be sure to thank John Madden for introducing this amazing dish to the world. His love for the turducken brought it into the spotlight, making it a beloved part of our holiday traditions. For more food facts and history, stay tuned to the Food Network. Dive into the stories behind your favorite dishes and discover new recipes to try at home. Happy feasting!